Hello students, welcome to iExam B. My name is Anshul Malik and I am your reasoning mentor. Students, CLAT 2021 is an examination that will open up a lot of opportunities for law aspirants. The main objective of this particular exam is to gauge the candidate's aptitude to study and practice law. And if we talk about logical reasoning, it is one of the sections that requires application more than learning. This section accounts for 20% of the total weightage of the examination, so it's a good idea to put some efforts into preparing for this particular section. And in order to optimize your preparation, today we will discuss how to master this section for your upcoming exam, that is CLAT UG 2021. Before starting, I just want to let you know that the last date of submission of CLAT 2021 online application has been extended up to 15th May 2021. So student whosoever has not filled the form, just go on the website and fill it. And if you are looking for an online course, you can join us wherein we will provide you video lessons, study notes, difficulty based chapter tests, section test and full length practice test. We will also be conducting live classes every week in accordance with latest CLAT pattern. So you can join us. We'll have expert faculty who will provide you strategy and study plans. तो जल्दी से iExam भी करो और CLAT course को join करो. Let's have a look at syllabus and pattern of CLAT 2021. Students, CLAT question paper will contain about 28 to 32 logical reasoning question. Out of this, majority of the question will be preceded by short reading passages, which is of 30 words, and candidate need to read the given passages and answer the objective type questions. So you will be having 4 to 6 comprehensions of 300 words each. However, I'll advise you that you may brush up the other topics of reasoning such as number series, coding, decoding, analogies, direction sense test, puzzles, etc. In that way, you can score better and better plan your preparation. So if I talk about the types of the question, so I have already told you that the logical reasoning section will consist of passages of 300 words each, and these passages will be followed by more than one questions. For example, you can be asked what is the argument of the passages, what is the premise, what is the conclusion. You have to find out the inference, relationship and analogies. Simultaneously, you may be asked contradictions and equivalence also. So you have to look at the previous year paper, which I'll put in the link of the description box, that will help you to understand the paper in a better manner. Students, now I'll give you some tips that how to prepare for this particular section. So my first tip is understand and don't memorize. Students, your ability to memorize is not at all beneficial for this particular section. To score well in this section, you will have to be thorough with each kind of the questions that will be asked in the examination. Make sure that you understand the logic behind each type of the question, as the questions that are asked in the exam might be confusing to a lot of the people. So if you understand how to solve each question quickly, this will help save time as well, give you the best chance in order to score well in this examination. My second tip to you is that you have to practice a lot. Students, you already know that each section requires plenty of practice, but it is especially required for the logical reasoning section of the CLAT, because practicing will help you to solidify the method into your brain, which will in turn help you to solve the questions instantly. This not only saves your time but also makes the process of learning easier. My most important tip is to you guys that make studying fun. Students, if you're a kind of a person that enjoys challenge, this section is definitely for you. Once you have got the crux of the question, you can able to solve the questions very quickly. You can start with easy questions and then you can move to the harder one. and try to solve the mock test and sample question paper. Student, this is very important part as CLAT has unique question pattern as opposed to the other exams. You will be given passages which no other exam has. So it is important to understand how well you are reading at passages, and giving mock tests will also help you to improve your timing and improve your confidence. So these are some tips which you can follow and master your logical reasoning section. Students, now I'll teach you some tips that how to attempt the logical reasoning section. So my first tip is always learn to recognize. It is essential to recognize the conclusion and premise in a particular passage. These conclusion and premise make up the arguments, and identify them will help you to proceed further. The next step is to determine the tone or theme of the passage, because this will help you to answer the questions that follow the passage. If you have successfully decoded the theme or the point of the passage, then it will be easy for you to choose your answers. Now it is very essential to understand the view of the passage. It may have more than one view, which again can be contradictory. So you must identify and segregate them. This will help you in realizing if the passage has the main point or it has a several point. So always understand or try to understand the view of the passage. Now next step is that you have to read the question minutely, because you have to figure out the fine detail and answer the questions accordingly. The use of the word most in the question signifies that you have to pick an answer which best suits the question. So it is important to read without any distractions and pause, and you have to read your question very minutely. So these are some tips with the help of which you can attempt your logical reasoning question in a better way and can score well in your CLAT 2021. Students, I am recommending you some useful book with the help of which you can master your logical reasoning section. As you already know the fact that books are an inherent source of knowledge while preparing for your CLAT examination, and it is always essential to seek the assistance of some books to enhance the knowledge and pass this particular examination. So you can buy these 3 books from any online site. Your first book is 501 Challenging Logical Reasoning Practice Book. Your second book is Universal's Logical Reasoning for CLAT, LSAT and other law entrance exam by Jan Pratik. And you can follow Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal as well for your remaining topic other than your analytical reasoning. So these are some books which you can follow for your CLAT 2021. Students, I hope you liked the today's video, and thanks for watching iExamB.